Kuan siya, 20 by 24 feet. Mao gina ako madumduman.
Nipa.
20 by 24 feet.
Nipa siya.
And then I have tried to paint the picture. Maybe I can let it shown sa ato ang kuan.
Nipa to
So
siya.
open ang iyahang sa loob.
Balas.
So kuan lang gyud siya yuta lang,
Yuta
no?
siya. Then
So then, but still, ang katong 28, there were 28
Ayan ba na,
individuals
makikita sa
baptized
mga
during the
church,
first
ma'am, gana.
evangelistic
Kasi
effort
na-
in Tambacan.
Yan ba?
That was on June 1976, the first baptism. And the first Adventism in Tambacan, Iligan City, was born. 20 na karon, so hapon siya nag 50. Okay. This included those baptized souls, kung pwede, katong 28, naapa man yun nabilin karon the remnants of the 1976 first baptism. Of course, you have the oldest one,
Eduan
ato siyang
Palagi ko.
patindugon in front. So, we have Mrs. Jersim Pasignahin Sombrino. Dari. Kay mauni siya, but I will read some of those souls nga na-baptized. Raquel Taksan, Esther Montrias, Hinara Pasignahin. They received baptism as rebaptism. No, kay mga nabaptismuhan naman sila. Si Mama was a born Adventist in the year 1932. Okay. And then, apag yun nabilin, katunguban, katunga group,
Ayan, nakuha na.
sana ipalungan.
Isang sa
Okay. So, among sa nagparibaptize na katong mga atong time, mga idara na sila 30s, si Jersim Pasignahin Sombrino na lang ang nabilin. Kauban nilang Esther Montrias, Raquel Taksan nga nagparibaptize. Tindog palihog mother. Okay, mao na lang siya. Ang iyang edad karon, she is turning 84 years old. Isa na lang sa katong group nga na-rebaptize. And then, doon na po during the time, mga single, mga teens, teenagers nga na-baptized during the first baptism in Tambacan. So, I am proud to call their name. We have Jimson Pasignahin and Virginia Pasignahin. Naa sila sa Cebu. Pero na-baptize sila, ilang first baptism was on June 19, 1976. The others, we have Liberty Sombreno Cabardo. Liberty Pasignahin Sombreno, kay mo may registered. Asa siya? Mga remnants na 1976 first baptism, nawala. Okay, we have Marietta Taksan. Tindog palihog kay mga remnants na bamos 1976. Olivia Taksan. I make mention the first yun nilang original. And the last but not the least, truly yours, Mariam Pasignahin Sombreno. So, among the 28, 7 na lang ang nabilin nga buhi. Ang 2, bago lang nakalarga sa Cebu, si Mama ang oldest, then kaming upat. That was the first baptism as the fruit of the first evangelistic
Tambacan.
effort. Yes, ma'am, sa first. Okay. So, nganong nabalhin man ta diri? So, alam mo ito continue? So, katong mga 28 nga nabautismuhan, ang uban adto taga por 4, taga por 1, pero kabalo na ta nga tama na gid sila dito nga time, di ba? Wala gid sila naka-survive. So, ang katong nabilin nga mga nabautismuhan was spiritually nurtured by the following members. During the first baptism in Tambacan, nalatay mga elders, mga settlers sa Tambacan, coming from the province of Cebu, Negros Occidental, nga nagpuyo sa Tambacan early 1950s. And one of the family was the family of Jersim C. Pasignahin. Daghan sila nag-transfer ng mga Adventist na diri. Emilio Tanghal. Then, kauban ani nila. So, kinsa may nag-nurture sa amo nga bago na bautismuhan. Mao si Osias Bayeta, baptized in 1925. Demetrio Cabanti, baptized in 1927. Moises Cantiri, baptized in 1927. Marciano Arellano, baptized in 1930. Monico Pasignahin, baptized in 1932. Israel Pasignahin Sr., baptized in 1956. Emilio Tanghal, baptized in 1962. And Sir Yaco Hilera, baptized in 1970. Mauni ako magdumduman during my early years 12 nga. Mauni sila ang mag-nurture nga nag-automatic nga member sa Tambakan. Kay baptized naman sila during those times. The first place of worship of the Tambakan Seventh-day Adventist congregation was a simple and modest structure that reflected the humble beginnings of the church. The building was constructed with the makan
Good.
walls
Nipa
and
na siya,
plywood
Son.
partitions, haplang. Amakan,
Nipa.
plywood, pikas amakan. Dahil wala may bintana, diretso lang half. Marami mo na ana, no?
Nipa man to eh.
And then, the floor,
Yuta.
while the roof was made of a combination of the nipa touch and
Nipa.
used galvanized iron sheets. Kaya mga ginamit na mga GI sheets.
Luoy
The
kayo.
floor was not cemented and consisted of bare earth. Kuan lang yun siya, yuta. Yet it served as a secret place where members gathered to worship God and strengthen their faith. Okay, but before sila nagsimba, katong dimension ako ng mga tigulang na they assembled during the Sabbath school at in the home of Miss Isabel Fabro.